Hi, I'm Pia. I'm a digital creative and we've just finished the PowerProv class this morning. It's been fantastic to be in the same space, not only after COVID, but also get closer to one another through laughing and just being vulnerable with each other. We all have filters up during the day, and with our working relationships, these activities we just did really broke that down. What some of the exercises did was forced us to make eye contact, forced us to make a bit of physical contact with each other, and I think these things are so important, especially coming out after COVID. Rebuilding that connection, through more means than just emails and phone calls. If you're thinking about doing a PowerProv workshop, don't think, just do it. I've been thinking about doing some sort of improv class for years now, and I'm so glad we've done this today. I'll definitely see how I can do this more regularly, because it really energizes you and it gets you so much more comfortable just being relaxed around your colleagues and your team.